I will do the 9th, 10th, and the look here at the 6th and 7th. These two are also the same. I will do the 6th part. Then you will able to do this 8th part, 7th part. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how you can do this simply. This is the simplest form, like 71 square. We have to make this number as an identity to represent it, to solve it like an identity. So I will break down the 71 to make a 70 plus 1. That will give me the answer 71. I will put the square like whole and I will solve it for the a plus b whole square. But after solving this, adding this, I got this answer. Okay. Now I will do the part number 7, 6th part. 297 is multiplied with 303. The 6th part. Okay, the 6th part. 297 is multiplied with 303. I have to open both of these in according a way I can make a square of them. Okay.
Okay.
So simply I will do this question like there is a no square in between them. There is a no square. So I have to make a number that is exactly square of them. Okay.
Okay.
So 297. 297. If I write 300 minus 3, it will give me exactly 297. Okay. Same thing
Why
will.
can't it be like 20
Yes.
plus 97?
Then 300 plus 3 will give me 303. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So this question is exactly become like the question we did in the exercise.
Is it compulsory to do like 300 minus 3?
You can
Can't we
make
do like
because we have to make exactly same number, na? Same number. So that same number will give us the perfect square, completing square. Because
but it can be like this also, like 20 plus 97, it will be 297.
so 20 plus 97 it will be
No, sorry, that was my mistake. 200 plus 97.
okay, that will give us 297. And what about 303? Does it will give again same answer? Because the questions we done in the question number 2. Can you look at the question number 2?
Yes.
Look here. For solving these kind of question, the first x should be same with the next x set. Look here, in the from 1 to 8 part, x plus 3, x plus 7, x are same. 4x, 4x same. 4x, 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 2x, 2x, 2a, 2a square. So these are exactly same. That's why we have to make that number the exactly multiple with each other. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Example like 297 should be plus minus exactly the same number. 303 will be plus minus. Look here, 300 and 300 become exactly same. So I can solve it like for this formula. X square plus a plus b x plus a into b. I have to solve for this one, na? So here this is x, this is a, this is x, this is b. So x should be same with each other. That doesn't matter a and b are different. Look, a and b are different. This is minus 3, this is plus 3. But this is plus 300 on both sides. Understood?
Okay.
So the question number 6. So the question number 7. Sorry, 6. The part like this, in the two numbers are multiplying with each other, we have to solve with this formula. Understood?
Yes.
Now I will put the values of x and b. I will solve these two. That is 300 square minus 3 square 300, and after what we have to do 3 square, sorry, and then plus into 3 plus 3, and then again 300 then plus into 3 into 3. So 300 square will give me
300 square will give us 900.
9000. So कहना 9000.
Oh yes.
And plus 3 plus 3. So
3
look
plus
here,
3.
1 is plus 3 and the another one is minus 3 na. Look here, A is minus 3, B is plus 3. So this is minus 3. Both will cancel. 0. And 300 is also multiplying with this 0. It will give me 0 answer. Okay. And then plus 3 3s are 9. So the answer will be subtracted. Answer will be subtracted between them. Because of this minus. Then the 9000 minus 9. Because there is a 3 na. There is a minus 3. 3 3s are minus 3 and then plus 3. 3 3s are 9. Then minus 9. Okay. Then 9000 subtracted with 9 will give me 8908, 9, 9 and 1. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
Let me check.
When you will solve one question by yourself, then I hope you will understood clearly more than that. Okay?
Okay. But may I start writing it?
Okay.
But then since you changed the image, I couldn't do it.
Are you writing it now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, finish it.
The before page.
Okay. Simply look here. This is a 297. This is 303. It means that we have to exactly create that number. The first number should be exactly same with each other. So 300, 300 exactly same. By minus 300 in the first step, I will get the 297. By adding 3 in the second, I will get the 303.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
We are on next one.
Simply then we have to put the values like minus 3 and the plus 3. This is A, this is B. By solving, these are the two of same number but the opposite sign will be cancelled out with each other. And the minus 3 with the plus 3 will give us 3 3s and 9. Minus 9, na? Minus 9. And by solving, if there is a 0, when 0 is multiplied with any number, it will give answer 0. 0. Okay? So this is by adding minus 900 with the 9. This will be the answer.
Okay.
These are 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Because we are taking scale, 4 zeros. Done?
1 minute. 9,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. And why are there one more 0 over there?
Because by making 300, by multiplying 300 like twice time,
It's 9,000. 1, 2, 3. No. It's 90,000.
90,000. Yes, 90,000. These 4 zeros and 3 3s are 9. Done?
Last one.
Okay, the next question is I have to do like for the, I will do the 10th part, because 5th and 6th will be same exactly like the 10th part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, now I will do the 8th part, 8.9 square. Okay, 8th part. So 8.9 square. So can I, what I have to do here? This is a point square. Now 8.9 square. It means that I have to do minus or addition to get the answer 8.9. Can I? So which number will be subtracted or added to get 8.9? For example, if I do the subtraction, because subtraction become easier, na? I will thought of which number will be added. So simply if 8.9, I will increase the number like 9.0 minus with 0.1. That is giving me the exactly number 8.9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I will move to the step backward, not the forward. Okay, if I will go to the forward, that thing will become complicated for me. So I will write it down here like 9.0 minus with 0.1. By solving these two, it also become easy for me. So I have to open this formula for square root, but according to minus, like this formula, a minus b whole square gives me a square plus b square minus 2ab. Understood? So I will do this. Yes, 9.0 square. You have to do this with me because this is easiest one. Plus 0.1 square minus 2 into 9.0 into 0.1. Understood?
9.0 and then 0.1. Okay. I understood that.
Understood that. Now you have to give me the answers as well, no?
The decimal part is where I don't get it. I get it everything. But
For the 9, for example, this is 9.0. 0 states nothing. Nothing. It means that we have to multiply 9 twice time with each other. It will give us answer 81. Simple.
Then it's then like 8.1.
No, we can say that 81.0 square. Simply like this. This square is solved for the 9.0. Now for the 0.1, you have to multiply like twice time. Then 0.1. Look here how you can solve this. 0.1, 0.1. You have simply 1 with 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 zeros are 0. Then cross 0 ones are 0. 0 zeros are 0. So point is move to the next part. Here point answer is 0, 0, 1. So here is point between 0.1. So we have to, the answer is like with a 3 digit. Answer should be between first 2 digit. Point. So point will locate here. This is how you can solve this. Okay. Understood?
Oh, no. 0. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Then the answer for the 0.1 square is 0.01. And for the minus, for the this thing, now I have to multiply 2 with 9.0 with 0.1. Okay. First I will solve like 9.0 with 0.1. It will give me the same answer, na? 9.0 with 0.1. It will give me this answer. Look here. 0.9, 9.0, 0.1. 1 zeros are 0, 1 nines are 9. Cross zeros are 0, 0 nines are 9. 0 9s are 0. So it will give me 0.9. Simple this answer. Got it? 0.9. Yes, 0.9. So I can write it here.
Into 2.
Yes?
0.9 into 2 now, right?
Yes. 2
So
into.
it will be 2 9s are 18. So it will be 0.18.
So no, not like this. Here is 0.9. Here is 2. 2 9s are 18. 8 1s are 2 zeros are. 2 9s are 18 na. 8 here, 1 will go upside. Okay.
Can you give me a minute? 1 minute.
No.
यार मेरा पिल्लो रख डाल जाओ स्माइल करना.
Okay, 2 multiply with 0.9.
मेरा पिल्लो को कुंडल लग बैठी है.
0.9. 2 is the bigger value, na?
Yeah, man.
2 9s are 18. 1 will go here. 1.8. It will give us 1.8. Yes. 81.
8.1 now it's 1.8.
81.0 plus 0.01 minus 1.8. Then we have to solve this whole term. I will solve for the first addition. 81.0 plus with 0.01, it will give me 81.01, and then minus with 1.8.
81.01 minus 1.8. Okay,
It will give us 79.21. Okay.
And how do you know the decimal point comes in that particular place?
Yes, done. Understood? Even you can replace the point after solving. You can put the point inside the answer. Okay. Any question?
Okay. No, ma'am. Let me try to do that decimal one by myself.
Okay.
That 5.2 square.
You can do that, but do you think I will solve that 9th part, then you can do the rest of the questions?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will do the 9th part. Ix. In the Ix, the number is 1.05 multiply by 9.5. Simply I have to make a number like this that will give me the exactly addition and the subtraction of these two numbers, and the first two numbers should be same with each other. Should be
Same with each other.
yes. This is 1.05 and this is 9.5. So I have to add that number that is the exactly same number. If I minus 1 minus with 0.95 minus with 1 and 1.05 minus with 1, yes, okay, it's mean that simply the prime factorization that we used to do. In the prime factorization we have to must start from the smallest number. So for the addition and subtraction, to getting the first number exactly same, it's mean that I have to subtract them from the smallest number. I will start from the 1. Okay,
Slow down, please.
okay, it's mean that this is the number and this is the number. I have to make a set in which first x is exactly same with the another set of x. Okay, so it means that I have to subtract in term. I will start from the subtraction 1. I will do the subtraction minus 1.05 subtracted with 1.
It's what?
Then or simply I can place this number like here.
And can you first explain me the decimal chapter? Then I can understand this decimal. I understand the regular numbers like 295 into 185. That is okay.
Basically in the decimals we have to do the addition and subtraction according to their point. If I just remove that point, the addition and subtraction is the same thing. Look here, I place 1 under the 1. Under the 1.
One.
I didn't place the 1 under the 5 because the 1 can be solved by this. These are the exactly same number. So by subtracting them, what is the answer? 0.
Yeah,
Point
0.05.
0.05. So for the first digit I got 0.05 by subtracting with which number?
1.
So for the same thing I have to do for the 9.5.
So it's gonna be 1 minus 8.5.
Let's do this, na? Let's do this. For the 9.5, this is a 9.5. First I have to make a 9.5 same exactly like this. Then I will get the exactly answer. Okay?
Okay. So it's gonna be 9 minus.
What if I just multiply 9.5 with 10? Tell me the answer.
It's gonna be.
No, not the 10. Okay, what if I just move this point? For example, this is 9.5, na?
Yes.
This is 10. If I move this point here, then what it will become?
95.
0.95. Yes, this. I just move that point. Yes,
What about that 0? It's gonna come like 50, right?
because after solving 9.5 with the 1, I didn't getting the same answer just like before, just like this. Is it? So I have to make 9.5 the number that will give me the same answer like this.
It's gonna be.
So I have to change the 9.5, na?
Yes.
So I just shift that point. I will shift that point like this is 9.5, na? I will move that point like in front of this. It become 0.95. And I can say this is a 0, na, 0.95. Okay?
Yeah.
So 0.95 subtracted with 1. I will place 0.95 here. I will place here 1. Now can I solve this?
Yes.
How?
No. Because 0 is lower than 1.
So where I have to place this and I have to solve this?
In the 9.
In the 9 it will give me 8. I have to get the answer same, na?
We'll put up the 1 and then
Up
0
the
at
1
bottom.
and then what it will give me?
1.95. Yeah, right. Wait.
I think that will give me in the negative answer. Because 1 is the larger number and 0.95 is the smaller number, na?
Yeah, so it's gonna
So
be
this is the exactly the same number. I can place like 1 is here and 1.05. And 1 is a greater number than this. It give me 0.05.
0.
And for this part, if this is 1, then 0.95. Then
It's gonna be 1.95.
no.
Yeah, right. Because even if I minus it, 0 is gonna be 0.95. Wait, what is this question?
The answer should be like 0.05, na? Because in the 100 place 5 is
But then
0.
it's gonna be 9.0.05 then. I don't understand this question.
Okay, so this is 0.95. It means that I have to subtract this with the 1.00. Okay, so 0 is 5. Can I subtract with 0 and 5?
No.
Can I subtract 0 and 9? No, I cannot. It means that I have to take borrow from this, then it will become 10.
9. That's gonna be the 5. The 0 on top of 5 is gonna be 10.
I cannot subtract 0 with the 5. I have to borrow from the next number.
Isn't it like 10 and then 10 minus 5 is gonna be 5?
Yes.
And then 9 minus 9 is gonna be 0. And then since you already borrowed from 1 is
Yes,
gonna be
this is how we get the answer. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Simply I will write the answer here. Now I was quiet. I didn't do anything. You solve this by at your own, because you understood the concept. Same thing if I do this here. Simply I cannot do this here because that 1 is exactly solved. 1 is the greatest number, 1.05 is the smallest number. These two are the exactly, so I can subtract it them. But here 1 is 0 and I have to solve with 1.00. That will give me the exactly answer. Okay. If I solve this like 0 and 0, then 1 here and then 10, then 9, that it will give me 10 minus 5, and 9 minus 0 it will give me 9, and I don't need 9. 9 minus 0 give 9 na?
Yeah, ma'am.
So it will exactly only solve with the 1, because we don't need that. Exactly solve with 1. It will give 0.05. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Why I didn't use 0 here? Because by looking at these two, these are exactly calculation solving with each other. But here this is a 0, I have to solve this one also, so answer should be same like this. I have to arrange it like this format. Okay, so I get the answer 0.05. 1 minus 0.05. Understood?
Yes.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Now I hope you understood the readable concept of decimals. Okay. First one is for the plus. There's a plus between these two numbers, and this is a minus. So simply I have to do like this. I have to do for the opening and the closing, a square. So x square plus a into b within x, then plus into a and b. This is 1 is x, this is a, this is b, this is minus. Okay, now a whole I have to put the value.
Well, this is gonna be
1 square plus 0.05 and then plus with minus 0.05 multiplying with 1 addition 0.05 then 0.05 with minus. Okay,
Okay,
capture. Then 1, this whole term will become 0 because of the negative sign. 0 plus we have to multiply these two like 0.05 multiplying with 0.05, then 1 here, and after multiplying these two, what will be the answer?
1 minus 0.05. But ma'am,
Yes,
1 plus 0
because we have the minus 1 na, minus 0.0025. Okay,
0, 0. 5
yes.
plus 5 to 5
So I think we have to do the subtraction here.
Yeah, so it's gonna be 0.00024.
Yes. 0. I think no. Because 1 is the greatest, so it's mean that we have to place like 1 here, and 0
Point 0.
0.0025, and here is
No, there's one more
0
zero in
0 and
between.
0 and 0.
There's one more zero in between.
There is two zeros between 25.
That was 3, I think.
No, 2. So I have to subtract like this. I cannot solve with 0 and 2, then 1
It's
1
good. It's good.
1 here,
No.
9 here,
10,
9 here,
9,
9 here.
9,
10 minus 5,
0.
5.
5.
9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9.0. This is the answer. 0.9975.
So x squared a plus b equal into x square a into b, right?
Understood? Any confusion? Let me explain this question one more time. This is the question 1.05 and 9.5. So 9.5 is much bigger than this number. I have to reduce this number to get the exactly answer. I will simply do this. I will shift this point to make it smaller number. By shifting the point, I get the smaller number, which will become 0.95. Okay?
Okay.
0.95. By solving, I have to make the exactly numbers. I make the exactly number, then I open this, then I solve this whole number, and I get the exactly answer. Okay, are you writing it?
Yeah.
Okay. The question number 7, we have to use this identity to solve this format. They just provide the square form. We have to open the square form according to plus and minus. Then we will get our answer. Look here. A square minus b square will open, give us a plus b, a minus b. 51 square minus 49 square. I have to open this for the plus 1, for the minus 1. Because I know this. I know this thing. By multiplying them, this is the open formula, this is the closed formula. By solving them, I get the 200 answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I solve this for the part decimal part. That is the fourth part.
Yes.
Okay, that is the fourth part in which they are asking 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. So I just have to open it like ones for plus, ones for minus. 12.1 plus 7.9 multiply with 12.1 minus 7.9. According to the formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, and then a minus b. Yes, you can understood?
Yes.
Now I have to add and subtract them.
Okay.
20. Which number is greater? 12.1
What now?
GG.
Okay.
12.1 and then 7.9. I have to add these two now first.
Yes, ma'am.
By adding these two, what is the answer? 9 plus 1, 0 into 1.
Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10, then 1. That is giving us the, here point will be here.
Okay, ma'am.
I will write the answer here. 20.0. Now I have to subtract them. 12.1, 7.9. Subtraction.
Okay.
Can I solve 1 with 9? No. I have to borrow. It will become 11. 11 minus 9? 2.
11. Yeah, ma'am.
And then point here. I have 11 here. Then 11 minus 7.
11 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 4.
4. 4.2. Look, I got the answer 4.2. Now I have to multiply these two, then I will get my answer. Multiply. Now I am doing the each step by step thing. I also accept this thing from you. You have to solve each step, no? Just like this. Now I have to multiply these two answers.
What is that?
20.0 is going to be multiplied with 4.2. Okay.
20 by 0 is gonna be multiplied.
2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4.
4.
And then
And
4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8.
It's gonna
Point
be
here. So we can say that 84.
How is it? 84.
84, na? 8, 4,
8 into
0. So this is the point between this. So we can put the point here. Here we have to point place here.
okay.
So I can simply say that 84.0. I can simply write this as 84. Okay. So after writing this, my answer is 84.
4.
Understood?
Yes.
Done writing?
One wait, right.
Now I will do the 8th part. 8th part is the simplest part, again the same formula. I will do the 4th decimal part.
One minute, one. Can you go to the back page? I was writing it.
This one? This is the sixth. This is the first part. Done?
51. No, I did it, but then I did it wrong.
Can you do it for yourself again? You just have to do the addition and subtraction between 51 and 49. You can solve this at your own.
Give me 2 minutes. I will
Okay.
solve it. You can change.
Yes, I will. Did you understand the concept of addition and subtraction and multiplication for the decimal numbers? For the addition, you have to place the point under between them. But in the subtraction, in the addition, the answer in the point, the point will move like step forward. Here is this answer. Point between these two numbers in the answer, point will become forward, one step forward.
Okay, ma'am.